until someone else comes. Do you know if Karina's coming today?
He's coming today. He'll be
Okay.
here for trial.
Do you have something on?
I just have a, I have a question, the sub, in case it's on any computers. Yeah.
Okay, I'll sign up for you now.
Of
course.
Say
Say it again.
I think he's on.
Is he here now?
He's here now.
Last name is Gooden? Oh, Contreras, come up.
That's it. We have to, I can't share with you on,
So he has an unlawful carrying of a weapon with us, and then he's on bond for 2 aggravated assaults with a deadly weapon upstairs.
Correct.
Are you representing him upstairs? This is Mr. Contreras right here.
Gotcha.
Can you tell us what happened in the felony cases, please?
Yes. You got 2 aggravated assaults with a deadly weapon, and I can read the first one off. So that was going to be on April 20th of 2026. An officer responded to an aggravated assault call and met with the complaining witness, who stated he and friends were at his parents' house, and a Cadillac with 3 Hispanic males drove past his home and would stop and yell threats and come back and leave again. The defendants returned with the defendant in the backseat wearing a face mask. One of the complaining witnesses' friends left, and the defendants followed while showing 2 firearms. The defendants returned and made threats and stopped the car at the end of the street, and defendants exited pointing guns in their direction. The complaining witness confirmed and stated the defendants called him over and showed him a gun. The complaining witness's mother saw the vehicle parked and a male in a face mask then pass in front of their home and contacted officers. A high-risk traffic stop was done and all 3 occupants were detained. And in plain view, there was an AR pistol on the back passenger side and a Glock pistol on the driver's side near the center console. The complaining witnesses were able to tell where in the vehicle the each defendant was. And Mr. Contreras was in the front passenger.
How do they attribute the gun to him?
It looks,
Where was the gun?
the gun was in plain view on the back passenger side and a Glock pistol on the driver's side near the center console. So there was 2 guns.
Okay.
The complaining witness. There's another one also. looks like there was two guns in three people in the car, but it does not say, it just says the defendants were pointing guns at them. It doesn't say.
Let's just do this. Let's wait till our chief gets here and then we'll revisit it. Take a seat for me in the jury box, please. Do not leave.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, in there.
Sorry.
That's okay. You're doing good, but let's just make sure we do it before I take a route. Veronica, did you see the email from Mr. Frank regarding the test on Tillotson? Can we come back and talk real quick? Victoria.
The question I faced, maybe one of the days is parking right now, we're short this week, so. I'm sorry? Our chief is parking right now, we're short this week, so our other days on vacation. You want me to start? Yeah. All right, and then I would say that I was which continue, but
I'm going to forward it to you as well, Victoria, so you can. Oh, you got it. He sent it to you.
No, I just didn't see it.
You did email.
Okay, I just sent it to you.
Thank you. Morning, Jen.
Hey, good morning. So it looks like that's a good number and it's a good location. Just off first Google search, so. Yeah, if you don't mind helping out real quick. We're looking at Contreras. Contreras. He charged with UCW. He's got 2 aggravated assaults upstairs with a deadly weapon. Looks like there's a couple guns in the car. How do we know which one is his, if any?
Okay, Judge Contreras, it looks like there were 3 juveniles under the age of 18. Inside a vehicle where there was firearms. They did take them back to the location where the complainants were able to identify all 3 of them as men carrying a firearm.
Do they specifically pinpoint that our complaint or defendant has a gun? He's carrying?
Let me see. Black pistol was observed. So they saw an AR pistol in the back passenger side and a black pistol was observed in the driver's side near the center console. The 3 males were identified. The transports to back location were identified by the complainants as the males who had been riding around the vehicle and pointing weapons at them. So all three were identified as pointing weapons at them. And, the complainants were able to tell who was sitting where in the vehicle. Unfortunately, Judge, the officer report doesn't list where Mr. Contreras was sitting. Who doesn't find this somewhere. Yeah, he was actually, he has it, the front passenger, which would have been with the pistol.
Well, the pistol's near the front driver though.
Let's see what- Um,
The way I heard it was,
Yeah, AR pistol on the back passenger side, Glock pistols, the driver's side. near the
Right,
center
so-
console, And then. Hernandez was the driver, Contreras was the front passenger, and right there was the back behind the seat passenger.
yeah, so
I'm trying to see if they confirmed anything else, right?
you say you are representing him upstairs or no? All right, I'm gonna find him, BC.
Okay. Thank you, Judge. And I will inform Valerie.
Yeah. All right, if you want to go ahead and get your client, I'm gonna find no problem, boss.
You call me.
Yeah, you guys are free to go. Yeah, I don't, I take it they're not gonna dismiss it. They're gonna talk to felony first, so just reset it.
That's for a short recess.
Yeah, I don't care what you guys do. I mean, really, but
Thank you.
yeah. Of course, thanks. Are you, so wait, are you still in or are you done? Still in? Wow.
Yeah.
Okay,
We're done.
are you done? Okay, we'll talk later. All right.
Top of one. for-
Variantes,
Charges. The one just called.
variantes, VARRIEN.
Thank you.
I dismissed it.
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, you were charged with theft. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you. Okay,
On December 8th of 2025 in Harris County, Texas, an officer was dispatched to a theft. The store manager, who's the complaining witness, advised that the defendant asked to see several pieces of jewelry, and while handling the jewelry, the complaining witness turned away for a moment and defendant exited the store casting all points of sale. The total was $8,072. The officer reviewed surveillance corroborating the complaining witness' statement, and defendant was ID'd through a photo line.
wait a second. It's a theft of $8,000?
That's what I have. Let me confirm. That's.
No, I have here $866.
It must be a typo, but
Yeah.
hold on, it does say. The complete list has $791 I see here at least. But then there's a bunch of,
Judge, I want to say that it is closer to $8,000. We might have to refile because there's only one of the bracelets cost $791.
Yeah, this is. You got to take it upstairs. I
Yeah.
can't, I mean. The one I'm reading here that's in front of me on the Tubi, it has it listed at $886. It's got a medium charm bracelet, an initial N ring, an S ring, 79, 59, 59, 59, 69, 49, 89, 49, 49, 59, 59, 59, 59, 59. All these are charm bracelets. This totals up to 866. Do you have something else?
What I'm seeing, Judge, so the way that I was reading the thing is like 791, 591, 691. So I'm not sure if they did a typo when they put the additional one. I have to confirm the amount. And once we confirm the amount, then we will decide whether or not we have to refile. Because I'm not sure if the adding the additional one at the end is a typo, but there is just a twist charm bracelet valued at $791. So we will confirm the amount, Judge, before deciding to refile.
According to this one, I have, I'm going to find probable cause on this one because mind list this. If you find something different that's more, then you guys do what you need to do.
Yes, sir.
So regardless, this is at James Avery.
Yeah,
Ms. Barrientos, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. As a condition of your bond, you're ordered not to go to any James Avery whatsoever for any reason. If you pick up a new case, I will protect my community at all costs. If I have to throw you in jail and put your bond at $2 million, I'll do it in a heartbeat. Do you understand, ma'am? Do not pick up any new cases. Don't be a danger to my city. How do you support yourself now, ma'am?
I'll work and I'm in college.
I'm sorry?
I work and I'm in college.
Do you work full time? And so, but you're also, are you in school full time, part time? We will have you apply for a court appointed lawyer. Deputy Echigon will give you an application. I'm going to have bond conditions created for you to sign. Do not leave without signing. Do not pick up any new cases. You have already missed court once. If you ever miss court again, you will get a really high bond. Do you understand me? There will be no more PR bonds for you. This is not a revolving door, contrary to popular belief. Do you understand? All right, come on.
Judge, the amount of the information is correct. We do have the receipts, so it is still the same.
Okay,
Yes, there was a typo. but
Typo.
No one, okay.
got it. Okay.
All right, Judge Garcia, on page 13, Garcia Alvarez.
Can you file conditions no going to James Avery, please? So bottom of page 14 or top and bottom?
Bottom of 13.
13. All right, Mr. Garcia, you're charged with driving on a suspended license. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir.
just to confirm, this is Jorge Garcia, correct? Alvarez.
Correct. Yeah, that's right.
On July 15th, 2026, at approximately 6:38 in the morning, officers were on patrol on I-869 near the North Loop East Freeway in Harris County, Texas, and observed a black 2014 Toyota Camry with an expired registration. The officer initiated a traffic stop, and upon being asked for the defendant's driver's license and insurance, the defendant stated his driver's license was suspended due to an accident on 2 years ago, and the defendant did not have insurance. The defendant stated he did not have insurance at this time, and the record check confirmed this.
Mr. Alvarez, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. I want you to hear me loud and I want you to hear me clear. You cannot drive. You will be signing an affidavit with me today promising me you're not going to drive. There's nothing in this life that can give you authority, justification, or reason to drive. If you do, I can hold you in contempt and slap you with 180 days every single time you drive. You drive 5 times, I can have 5 contempt hearings and I can stack it. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
I don't give a rat's behind what you have to do in this life. If you want to drive, go get a license, get liability insurance, come back here and we can talk. But until that time, if you drive, do you have the ability to hire a lawyer, sir? Do you have the ability to hire a lawyer?
Yeah, I just needed some time.
Great. We will give you time. I'm going to have you come up here, swear to us that you're not going to drive. We'll have you sign a receipt and then we'll get you out of here. Come on.
Hutchinson, bottom of 19.
Okay. Good morning, Mr. Hutchinson. So you're charged with criminal trespass of habitation shelter. That kicks it up to a Class A misdemeanor. So you're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. You're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you.
On July 12th of 2026, an officer responded to 11300 Regency Green Drive, apartment 2407, which is in Harris County, Texas, and the response was for a burglary call. The complaining witness stated he was outside his apartment and observed the defendant in his residence. The complaining witness did not give the defendant consent to be there, and defendant broke a bedroom window to enter and barricaded himself inside. Defendant was given verbal commands to exit, which he complied with. The defendant was arrested and transported to Methodist Willowbrook due to injuries sustained at the break-in.
Mr. Hutchinson, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. I'm now going to give you a curfew and you will get a GPS monitor. I do not want you out at night at all. You will get a curfew of 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. If you're out past curfew, I will revoke your bond, put you in jail, and we'll make it high. I don't know who you have in this life, but if I make your bond $20,000 and you don't have anyone to pony up that kind of money, you'll be stuck like Chuck for who knows how long. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
You are not to have any contact with the complaining witness, not to go within 1,000 feet of this apartment complex, not to be in possession of any weapons, not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs, and you will be tested. If I find that you're using, then likewise into jail you go. This is not a revolving door.
Yes, sir.
If I have to put you in, there will be no more PR bonds for you. How do you support yourself?
Right now, I do not have a job. I'm trying to get into the Army, sir. So I'm just trying to better myself as well.
You need. When is the last time you've had a full-time job?
I just had a job before I went to the hospital. I worked at Waffle House, but I had 2 calls no show because I was not able to use my phone or anything.
It's time for you to get a full-time, tax-paying 9 to 5 job. I will make that a condition of your bond, and I'm going to bring you back in 2 weeks, and I want to see 40 to at least 50 applications for jobs. Beggars can't be choosers. Don't go for a CEO job. If you need to get it down to fast food, there's nothing wrong with it. I've done it. I've worked at Burger King, I've worked at Chuck E. Cheese, I've worked at La Madeleine, I've worked at Papacitos, I've worked at. Don't get picky. You can still make a lot of money putting your heart into it. You understand?
Yes, sir.
You need to apply for a court-appointed lawyer if you would like us to appoint you one. So Deputy Etchigon will give you an application. I need you to fill it out. Don't just put zeros because I'm not going to believe it. I need to know where you live, any other household income, money in the bank, cars, anything of this nature. I'll take a look to see whether you qualify. Assuming you do, I will appoint you a lawyer today, but you're coming back here in 2 weeks. You're going to get tested. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
All right, Judge, bottom of 27, Medellin.
Medellin.
Yes, sir.
Sir, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine because of the high blow. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you, sir.
On July 14th, 2026, in Harris County, Texas, on a public roadway, an officer observed a motor vehicle halfway in a moving lane of traffic in lane 1, and while sitting head-on crashed into a tree at 11:37 p.m.
So he crashed into a tree?
Defendant was not in his car, but officer learned of his location from a record driver. The defendant stated his tire popped, causing his vehicle to swerve into a tree. The officer then asked the defendant who was driving the truck, which the defendant said that he was along with the truck, belonging to him and being registered to him. The officer observed defendant admitting to consuming 3 Coors Lights draft beer between 7:30 and 10:30 while speaking to a defendant. The officer also observed a strong odor of alcoholic beverage emitting from his person and breath, slurred speech, and glassy eyes. The defendant admitted to having an additional drink when the SFSDs were conducted, and the SFSDs were 6 out of 6 for the HGN, 6 out of 8 for the walk and turn, and 4 out of 4 for the one leg stand. The DIC was read and the defendant blew 0.152 and 0.155.
Okay, does he have any prior DWIs?
Not seeing any prior DWIs. Let me recheck that. Never mind. Mayor, he has no-
Karina, does Mr. Medellin have a valid license, please? Mr. Medellin, I'm going to find that there's sufficient probable cause to go forward with your case. You were ordered not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, or unprescribed controlled medication. You will be tested. If I find that you're using, I will revoke your bond and put you in jail. Do you understand? You are not allowed to drive unless you have a valid Texas driver license and liability insurance in your name. If you don't have either, then that is also a condition. You are not allowed to drive.
Not eligible, Judge.
He's not eligible.
No, Judge.
You are not allowed to drive. You do not have an eligible driver's license. You will be signing an affidavit with me today promising me you're not going to drive. I really don't care what you have to do in this life. Do not drive. Do you understand? I'm warning you now. There's no quicker way to go to jail, Mr. Medellin. How do you support yourself, sir?
Working construction as a quality control inspector.
What kind of money do you make a month, sir?
I'm not too sure. I just got promoted. So they're going to give me a new number.
What do you normally make?
Usually almost 4,000.
We're going to reset your case to give you time to hire a lawyer. You're not going to qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. So I'm going to have you come up here, swear test, you're not going to drive. I'll get you to sign a reset. We'll get you with Veronica for your bond conditions. Mr. Medellin, a lot in this life is who you hang out with. If you hang out with the wrong person, people, nightclubs, bars, it's probably not a good idea to do these things while you're on bond for DWI. Do you understand? Okay, let's go.
Bottom of 32, Robinson.
Good morning, Ms. Robinson. Ma'am, you're charged with theft. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you.
On July 14th, 2020, in Harris County, Texas, an officer responded to a theft call at 2580 Stern Street in Harris County, Texas. That location is a target. Security cameras have caught items concealed in defendant Robinson's purse, and then officers arrived and observed defendant Robinson pass all points of sale, making no attempt to purchase the concealed merchandise in her purse and one on her head. The defendant said she was sorry.
Whoa, and what on her head?
It seems there was more stolen items on her head.
On her head.
Yeah.
Okay.
Defendant said she was sorry, confirmed that she concealed items in her purse. The total came out to $154.02. The commitment was established difference too.
Okay. All right, Ms. Robinson, I am going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. You are not allowed to go back to any target whatsoever for any reason. Do you understand? If you go back, if you pick up a new case, you endanger my city, I'm just going to put you in jail. There'll be no more PR bonds for you. This is not a revolving door. You understand? You're what, 17, 18? Okay. How do you support yourself, ma'am? Are you working full time? Okay. What do you do with the rest of your time? Why not full time?
I just graduated.
Okay, it's probably time. When people have too much time on their hands, they become self-destructive. You need something else, bless you. You need something else to do with your time. Occupying your time is really good for you, keeps you busy, keeps you out of trouble. It's time. Do you understand? I will appoint you a lawyer today, ma'am, but really, there's no mistake in this life. There are choices. You either make a good choice or a bad choice, and a bad choice may keep you with me. All right, come on. We're gonna have bond conditions created for you to sign. Do not leave until you sign them. Can you file no going to target? Thanks.
All right, Judge, page 43, Carter, come on up.
All right, Mr. Carter, As a condition of your bond, you were ordered not to drive any vehicle whatsoever for any reason. You will be signing an affidavit with me today promising me you're not going to drive. I really just don't care what you have to do in this life. You want to drive, you have to do it legally. I'm not asking you to split the atom here, man. Just if you get into an accident, you have to have car insurance. If you don't, you may damage someone else's car. It's just not fair. Imagine if someone takes your car and tangles it into 13 parts. How would you feel? It's just not fair. All I'm asking you to do is follow the law. Really, don't drive. If you can go get a license, if you can get car insurance, come back and I'll happily take this restriction off. But until that point, do not drive. You're also ordered not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs. You will be randomly tested for the weed as well.
Judge, the driving without a license was no shooting. By the magistrate.
Was it? Okay. Nevertheless, as a condition on your bond, on your possession of marijuana case, you were not allowed to drive. I'm making that a condition. Do you understand? If you want to do it, just find out how to do it. You have a lawyer, talk to them. They can guide you on how to get your license back. And then if you're able to, come back and we can talk. But until that point, just don't drive. So we're going to see him back tomorrow for the trial case, right? So, are you working at this time, Mr. Carter? Okay, so I don't think that we're going to go forward on your trial case tomorrow. I'll waive your appearance so you don't have to waste your time coming to court. We'll expect your lawyer here so we can pick a new trial date. But just stay in contact with your lawyer and then we'll figure out what, as far as what trial date is appropriate. So for now, I'm going to have you sign a reset. I'm going to have you come up here, swear test that you're not going to drive. And then I guess we'll just wait for your lawyer to get here so we can give you guys the proper date.
Judge, she wasn't sure about signing on, and she said she was okay with the THA, so they can discuss.
Got it. Okay, not a problem. Hey, Vic, anyone else?
Right this way. Let us sign and come stay.
Judge.
Oh, really? I didn't realize her. No, I'll go back. Thank you for telling me.
Okay, go ahead and have a seat in the room. Don't look for reset.
Deputy Williams, did Quinn check in? He did not check in?
That's the last name.
Thank you for telling me. It makes a big difference.
Okay. All right, how is?
Yeah.
This one's total, the magistrate did not include the English translation of the conditions that were released.
Did not include what?
The English translation of the conditions that were influenced the two trials and the materials convention. I just wanted to know if you wanted to change his conditions or just correct the mistake and have in the
Is the defendant here now?
He's in custody.
Oh, he's in jail. Okay, dude's got an ice hold, it looks like. Are you saying it's not in Spanish? I'm looking at it.
Oh, no, it's not in English. Sorry.
It's both. Look at the order on 710. It says order for supervision of bond conditions. Look at that one.
What's the?
Carlos, you grab her. No, no. Can I talk to you for a second? Did you send yesterday, did you send Mr. Burnett up to talk to me or talk to me for 3?
Did I send?
Uh-huh. He said that he had failed to do something on one of the fugitive cases.
So that was Catherine, emailing him, and we're gonna figure it out. The case is dismissed. We dismissed it yesterday because the California declined to extradite anyways, so we kind of solved.
They denied extradition. They're not going to come get him. They dismissed it.
So it's all figured out now, but yeah.
Okay. Did he postpone anyways?
I'm not sure. I don't think he did because it was like a day in between, so I don't know if this contract.
Okay. So there's really nothing to do then.
No.
Yeah.
it's all figured
Okay.
out.
Got it.
Thank you.
Okay. Sure. So there was really nothing that he had to do.
Well, he missed his PC hearing. And so Catherine said that he needed his rights read to him.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
so lesson learned, for sure.
Hey,
It looks like the THC conviction was translated, but the second one at the bottom where it says that they have to check in with the Miami County website is not.
okay. I guess if you want to, yeah, out of an abundance of caution, and then we'll give him another copy. Yeah, that's,
Okay, anybody else?
Thank you. Have a good
All right, I have everything that the office is providing. We're seeing a lot of numbers given up. I know I'm gonna be, but then it's not total. Council for That's what I did. Oh, I'm sorry.
Excuse me. Do you have a second? Yeah. Court recent.
yeah, sure. This person, I need to know, do they learn $8,000? So she's asking if they make
The things they subscribe with the last month of banking today. Stickler about for drinking did not show again today. He's turning that.
Got it. Okay. So I can go ahead and issue a warrant then? Which, Mrs. Douglas? Oh, was this from yesterday?
Yes, and they wanted you to write the 1.4 days.
Got it. Okay. And just remind me, just, I need to vote them on this one, so. Thanks. And I'll be there in 45 minutes, 10:30. Hey, so I'm back. I gotta go. How is this, man? I gotta go back to court 3.
Bottom of 21. Sense of.
Yeah, can you go ahead and appoint him a lawyer?
Okay.
Then, hey, the lawyer has to meet with him in there. He's not allowed to go on. Hey, Detroit. If so, it would probably, well, you know.
No, that's fine. You're like, well, yeah. Okay, I need them to people. I got you. So Rick did nothing. You was. You something like. Sounds like offensive play. Isn't that? Greater power. Yes. Yeah. She's been gone. He's smart. It's not. Thank you. Not that we all, that's the right. Thank you. If you haven't had the same knowledge, the session. But what emails last year? Okay. Are you noticing pattern?
Do more. I found myself. It's really out. One of his priors, just we got the signature and the function. So you don't have to factor that into your decision anymore. One of those is going to be gone shortly. So there's no physicality test. He barely talks for the entire time. Some of them are really foolish and they think that they can talk their way out of it. He did the smart thing. He was quiet and polite. He was quiet and polite.
So, in Florida, we want to have the largest knowledge, right? And we said, I said, I did get it. You guys.
0.11. Right. And of course, I can tell you, if you're doing this wrong before and stuff, but it's been perseverance, you guys just ignore that, think that everything's perfect. And do you want me to tell you what's wrong, or are you actually gonna? Can you prove that he's intoxicated at times would be my question, the time of operating, because you don't have any retrograde facts. He's wearing Mardi Gras boots, and the officer's like, you must be drunk if you're wearing Mardi Gras boots. So swerving is not a crime. Not necessarily.
It is not. It's a traffic violation, right? It is usually like stop.
Maybe.
So they can.
Argument, I'll go with you on this.
They can, come out and traffic stop the opposite direction. All right. See you guys.
He's gonna be at his peak by the time. He chooses to make himself. I'm arguing that's why he smells like alcohol. He told the officer said, no, it's like most Michelob. Budweiser wine. It's all his. It's not good beer. I'm saying it, but you gotta go BAC. On this period, this is. Got it. It's improper. And. What files you're getting next, which you know is not correct.
The officer was shaking a margarita or something.
Yeah.
And that's just all of these things. I understand what you're looking at. Thinking of all of this, coupled with the fact you have to give her a tribute. Is he over-formulated at the time of operating? And you have a policy that's going on. Yeah, shake. It's gonna- This isn't what- especially, you know, with the priors. Judge would always say, if there's a prior, if they can about God. Move on to- I get that.
Okay, I can do that.
So, funny, and I get it, it's not. Chances are this, maybe I'm fluctuating. All right, thank you. As far as that, I should go. Okay. All right, thank you.
Oh, just a minute. Okay, which one? Okay, that's fine. Yeah. Let's see if Patrick see it. Okay.
He's an idiot. You just probably know what this person is. I have this one.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Everything's.
Oh, that's not, okay, got it. That's not your reason for that. No problem. I'll do that. And then one thing yesterday, I spoke to tomorrow. Yes.
So you said it's
Sorry, Mike. Who you got?
Actually have a gentleman, Elias Almeida, his job is asking if he could have more hours on this. And then he did a letter.
Is this the guy that's got like 5 cases or 6 cases? What hours do you want?
7 a.m. to 9 p.m. Yes.
What is your cost number, please?
One of the numbers is 2603749. And I'm glad you remember that it does have multiple cases. That's why he's working hard to try to stay good.
When did he get out? Do you remember? When did he bond out? I mean, it's been a while. It's been at least 2 months, right?
And he's good working.
Yeah, I'm glad that he's staying out of trouble. It looks like, I mean, I haven't heard anything, so I'm assuming that he's doing well. But you know what they say about assumptions. So I'm gonna ask Veronica, see how he's been doing. No, finish what you're doing. We'll do it after.
Hopefully you're doing all right, otherwise, yes.
Yeah, what's up with you? Yeah, busy?
Yes.
Any good trials coming up?
Well, coming up, we have all kinds of problems coming up. Even got one resort. Last week.
What'd you try?
Yeah. And solicitation of constitutional right. Same thing.
Those are dirty, man. Dirty. They're tough.
Yeah, oh yeah, especially in resort. But it was interesting to do. Actually, we have a and younger stepbrother is about 14, older brother is 18. One morning, the younger brother tells his mom that he's the only child of this particular mom, it's his older stepmom. Last night, and then when I told him, hey, what are you doing? And he offered to pay.
Oh.
So that's where it all comes in.
Y'all went to trial?
And when he testified at jury, but see, it's funny, one thing that really made me believe my client. And I told him, I said, yeah, I'm gonna give you some details of the jury, but. He said, well, they're not in the case, it's not the ground, they're not in And so that was just my scheme.
Well, congrats. How's he been doing while on bond, Mr. Mendez? Yeah. What curfew do we have now? Do you remember? Let me see.
He didn't put it, he just asking for 7 AM to 9 PM. I don't know if you will see the letter or not.
So Carlos, before we do it, I'm going to have her verify that the employer actually wants it.
Yes, sir.
And then what I'd like to know, what are the hours that he's going to be working? And then from your guy, I'd like to know how long it takes to get there, because I want him to work. But I don't want him out any more than he needs to.
Yes, sir.
To work and back home, that's it. So, anything else that needs to be done, he cannot make a pit stop here, cannot go over there. Just, people tend to, okay, well, I got to do this for work, and they try to find any and all justification to kind of weasel to do other things, and that's what I don't want. Is he here now?
No.
Okay, so I want to admonish him too. So I will, assuming he's been doing good, let me have her verify it, and then I'll acquiesce to you, but I want to tweak it to where he's just for work and then he comes home.
Okay.
But yes,
Thank you, Judge.
but I want to talk to him first, so Carlos. But yeah,
So you want me to bring him to court someday? No. All right. Thank you.
I want to admonish him so that he understands not to veer off, just for work. That's it.
All right. Thank you very much.
Who was that dude? What page?
Yeah. Sounds good. Sounds
Yes, are you there?
On which door? I want to walk down the door. Knock on the doors. All right, thank you.
Mr. Wong. Hey, good morning.
Your Honor, I approach on behalf of Mr. Junica, Gunica. First of all,
Thank you.
this is a case that we set today because it was 180 days. According to my note, the state is trying to do a weird 2-3 times already and not able to.
So do you have the rep done?
We tried twice and there was no answer either.
What's the deal with this case? Is there property allegedly stolen from a person? Is it a convenience store? Tell me about the case.
Stealing vehicle parts from the rear of a business. The officer observed the defendant and the co-defendant outside the vehicle while happening to get a better view They observed a certain individual walk down and flee on foot from the officers. 2 tires with rims placed along the retention pond fence. On the outside, the officer observed the fence to be cut open, as well as 2 additional tires in the rear of the defendant's vehicle. And it was almost about, it was $880 for all property.
Okay, you're at 180 days, you're out of time. So
It is a used salvage blade, Your Honor. I believe that they cannot come up with that number. Is it it's going to use tire? Is it salvage, it's a salvage company?
Could we try at least one more time?
are you gonna go try now?
I could try now.
Sure, go for it.
Thank you.
And I mean, let them know that you're at the time where if there's anything that you want, it's now or never.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm not gonna, we can't just continue to wait. It's on Zuniga, it's 100, over 180 days theft. Multiple rips have been attempted, no luck. I mean, sometimes they just don't want to be found.
Yes, but, what are the
And then just give them a little bit of time and then see what other, if there's anything else you guys can work out in light of, you know, and then just let me know. Yeah. Hi, Mr. Clay. Great to see you, man. How are you? What's new?
Cruise. Unlawful carry judge.
Okay.
He has a felony candidate for aggravated robbery.
You're that the same trend?
Which predates this one, but violates that. And they're stated in getting us videos of that, so I think that is going to be coming to an end pretty soon. So I've spoken with the chief here today on this one. They're reaching out to felony to see how they kind of want to handle this case.
Are you missing any discovery?
No, no.
Okay.
Well, there's no lab in the marijuana, so the illegal is drugs in the car with the odor of marijuana.
Are you representing him upstairs?
I am judging.
That's a really far reset.
Exactly.
What did you have in mind?
Well, of course, I don't want to go forward because one big like effective up here. But however, I understand the force perspective. If you wanted to put it over their option, I'm fine with it. I think she's just going to be checking with them to see if it's okay to let this go, subject to refile.
Okay.
Whatever you feel is appropriate, I'm with it.
I mean, I would say, what I'd say is put it on a trial docket to maybe the day after the felony court,
You got it.
but that's the last reset. I mean, it's either put up or shut up at that point, because so it just so happens that Tuesday, the 15th would be the 15th of September is a Tuesday. So can we put on the trial docket for September 15th? And either he's got it, by that day, either accepts it or we'll put him to trial unless they dismiss it.
You bet.
Yes, okay?
Thank you so
All right,
much.
for sure.
Greatly appreciate it.
You got it.
What was the name of that case so I can mark that?
Cruz.
Cruz?
Yeah. Are you missing conditions?
Yes, and I also want to know his name so I can stop calling him Sam.
Okay, just.
Robinson? Can you make sure she files conditions on Robinson, please? Thanks. I have to start writing stuff down. It's so much, no, it's crazy. I forget everything. Miss McDonough, she needs to sign conditions before she leaves, though, okay? Yeah, but just before she goes, she needs to sign.
Not a problem.
Got it. Thanks. Hi,
My
Mr.
approach,
Come on up.
Judge.
Good morning. Okay,
Andres Salazar. The state is evaluating it, but I believe we're at the point that we may need a trial setting here on.
let's see. Okay, yeah, if you want to set it. Are they, you guys ready? Is discovery complete?
I believe it's complete.
There's a complete judge, yeah, he just wants to see evaluated, lots of the front driving.
So, but you don't want PTI.
I don't think he's eligible for it regardless, and
Let me see, does he have
he does have
Yeah, they're
priors,
dismissed, judge, but he did have prior CWI dismissed.
and one of them, we did get an expunction on, it's just taking the processing time.
Oh, I remember him. Yeah. Right, okay. Yeah, set it.
And if I may ask on this one, he is asking if he's on a scrim and all the things, he has interlocked and all of that. Due to his work schedule, is he able to have the curfew removed from his bond condition?
What time do you want?
No, can I ask him?
Sure.
All right, thank you.
During the day, I'm okay. Not in the middle of the night, though. But during the day, sure.
Your Honor, we tried to reach out to the complainant in that case again, and there was again no answer.
I'll look at it, judge.
Okay, thanks.
These two guys work swing shifts, so he's asking if his curfew can be pushed to 11.
I don't know. Because then he's gonna want to get home. It's gonna take an hour and a half to get home. He's not gonna want to get home till 1 a.m.
No, I mean, if he has the curfew where he has to be home by 11 p.m.
Show me proof from the work that he actually works until 11, and then we can verify it. We'll call his work to verify that he's actually working until that time. And then we need to know what time he gets off, how soon he needs to get home, or how far it gets from work to home so that we can tweak it to, and then we'll go from there.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Okay.
I do that.
Okay, I think.
They do.
Oh, so. Yeah, that's why.
I'm totally based for days at 7. Very late.
Hey, Jim. Can I have?
Fortunately, this expert is not available until October 19th.
October 19th, this is.
So I told him,
Wait,
I told him that.
I don't know what to tell you, man. That's 4 months. Very unreasonable. Let's find out his schedule. Let's look at it.
I texted him.
Yeah, that's crazy. 4 months, 3 months?
He's busy because he charges 6 times less than the next expensive person.
I don't know.
But I told him I went up to run it
Yeah,
back.
that's just,
I told him it was too far, but, you know, I had to. So
your
it would
case is
be October
170 days out now, so you're gonna reach nearly 300 days for, that's just, and then something invariably is gonna happen, someone, I don't know, see what else he can do, any other day. We can do Mondays, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursdays, Fridays, whatever he
He's
wants.
good. That's his first available week. He's set for trial every other week.
But you know how that goes, cases cave all the time. So I would say, let's put it on another day, and if it doesn't go on
I'll text him
another,
and see if he has another case up here that maybe we could switch off. I'll ask him that.
go for it.
All right, thank you.
So I told him there's next week.
Can I go back there? So I have reception up in there.
Council Ferguson? This is all. I'll do 5 or 6. Did you see that? I already did the true. Because it is better than being in the next, is 2,000. SCR. Get another one against profit. Yes. You are.
Oh, sorry, I got you. I got it.
And then. Because it's put on the employed. So we need. Was last thing with us? Oh, so we also talk about this.
It's interesting.
Robinson is a brand. So. Set up.
Nice. No. I know, thank you.
Judge Fleischer,
I lost it. I was on. I just met that one for case mystery and. And because I got this. But. What the. I feel like.
Last name Robinson.
That's 3 clients a day, 2 clients a day.
Work for school. They don't stay. That's very much.
Mr. Robinson, I'm gonna be just changing to the same time. He's gonna sign his application. Thank you.
Okay, this is the copy of one condition that you have filed, and then this is your next person. Last name variantes.
Let's see if this comes.
You're gonna get your signature on this e-pad, and let's sign your bond conditions.
How long is that?
This is a copy of your bond condition that you have to follow, and then this is your next working. I'm not sure.
Hey, do you know when Todd Hines is gonna get here? I've got the interpreter here. I'm about to go. Is he here now? Okay, great. Great. Hey, Sina, how are you, man?
Oh, there's more. Yep. And then I have the.
Hey, was Duran discovery complete or no? Duran. Bottom of 12? Okay. Hey. Karina, can I ask you a question real quick? I'm sorry to bother you. Duran, is discovery complete on that?
Yes, Judge, discovery's complete on that.
It is? You sure? Because defense counsel said it wasn't.
It was a red face judge, was 160. Body cameras are in, he has an offer, everything's safe.
Hey, discovery's complete on that case. So how far did you reset it? Oh, you did?
I told him to come to the state and then at the-
Yeah, he left. So 1 week to decide what they want to do.
835.
Are you ready? Yes.
She was required to make.
I think I saw him talk to her.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Should have checked it.
You want to see if Deputy Williams can call her name? Make sure. Okay, are you ready? I'm sorry. Jail or bond? Okay. Chavez. Chavez, come up.
Is discovery complete on this one?
No, you cannot go. No. Go back in the box. Back in the box. And talk in the box.
All right, it's August 26th. Mitigation package was submitted.
You guys need to decide what you want to do with this case. It's time to either set this case for trial or you must take an offer by the state. Is discovery complete in this case, please? Oh, Mr. Chavez,
Looks like.
do you know is discovery complete?
I'm assuming.
Yes, I just noticed complete at your office.
He's saying waiting on a rip?
We're trying to reach the complainant, but like I told him, we don't need a complainant to prove the case because Officer saw him with the complainant.
Got it. Okay. So, great. It's time. I'm giving you a week. You need to decide in a week what you want to do with this case. Some cases are just way too much drama. You have picked up a felony case. I'm not going to hold this thing. You have 1 week to decide what you want to do with this thing. When you come back, you need to decide whether you want to accept it. If not, I'm going to set your case for trial. And at that point, this is your deadline for plea bargain offers. If you don't accept it, and you don't have to, but I'm going to put you to trial. And at that point, I will not accept any more plea bargain agreements. Do you understand me? You have 1 week. It would probably be a good idea to meet with your lawyer. I don't know if you have any immigration issues. If you do, it's probably a good idea to meet with an immigration lawyer as well. But next week is your final setting. Do you understand? Okay, see you in a week. Sorry? Oh, bond conditions. I'm just, all the bond conditions will continue that we had before. Yeah, I mean, I don't know what they did upstairs with the felony case, but that's not my case. So just as far as our case, no contact, no weapons, no dope, no alcohol, random testing, and see you in a week. Okay.
Thank you.
Hey, Mero. What's up, man? I feel your pain.
I got Mr. Lozano. From Dr. State. All right.
Give me a second, Abel. Mr. Hines. Hey, no. Stace, don't go. Just, hey, I'm about to go to court 3, but I've got the translator here. So before I go, I want to talk to you to see if you need to.
Yes.
Okay, so just bear with me. Okay. Mero.
Lozano.
Jail or bond?
Bond, technically.
Technically.
Judge.
Oh. Yeah, homeboy's got an open felony warrant. He's waived today, so he doesn't have to be here today. So I guess pick it early next week. There's a pen, it's mandatory.
So, I just had some, the time court that I needed to talk to you.
Yeah, but nevertheless, it's,
This, informing the court, no.
okay, I understand, but I still have to make it.
Right, I was, right.
Yeah, he picked up a felony DWI, so,
He had it already. I don't know why they,
oh, well, yeah, I'm sorry, you're right. It's in warrant status. So we'll put him on for
next week.
Monday or Tuesday. You pick it, and then appearance mandatory.
Top of 8, did you give 30 days, is everything?
No, 1 week clear trial. Okay, Mr. Hines.
I'm able to communicate with them fairly well,
Okay,
my client.
maybe for purposes of trial, we can have the translator there. When I was speaking to him yesterday, I thought that we could, he was understanding as well.
Yeah.
Out of an abundance of caution, we had it,
Right.
and he requested it, so that's why we did.
We'll by standby. And we don't have a trial setting yet, Judge. I know there was a speedy trial motion filed. There was a substitution.
Did you file it, or did they file it?
The former attorney, I see that they had filed at some point.
Okay,
Um,
how much time do you want to get ready?
Judge, there's a lot going on with this case. I mean, there is, immigration, issues going on in the ICE container. Judge, I have a request for investigations out through my office, that I can do my due diligence, Judge. I want to review all the discovery over
30 days?
30 days, yeah.
Okay, because remember, he's sitting in trial, and I mean, there's just no ifs, ands, or buts. He just wants a trial. So why delay the inevitable, right? Obviously, you need to get prepared and have your diligence done. So I would have now reach out to the immigration lawyer for the MAC that you guys have,
Right.
that they can, so they can get that done now.
Yes.
And then we'll just go from there. Just be ready when we come back in 30 days, because he wants a trial now.
Okay.
So I'd say, tell him, look, I need some time to prepare. I have investigators. I've got an immigration lawyer. It's going to take time.
Right.
But when we come back in 30 days, we'll set it. And we'll give you a fact. Yeah.
Okay, all right.
Yeah. Okay.
That's great.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, for sure. Okay.
Just kind of go briefly.
Yeah, Mr. Victoria, on Mr. Hines' case, just out of an abundance, if you don't mind getting the interpreter next time as well. Yeah. Okay. Hi.
Just by here, LDA.
Okay.
Judge, I just need more time for application. I had,
No. Where's Mr. Saldivar?
you didn't have to, for just,
Okay.
no.
You were at 172 days. He's had since May.
This is the reason, right? I was having a his driver's license, he got his driver's license,
Yes.
right? Mr. Saldivar is not very educated, but he ended up getting it.
We've had 2 months to work on a mitigation packet. It's unreasonable to do another long reset.
And I'm not asking for a lot of time, 3 weeks, Judge?
No,
2 weeks?
no, 1 week. You've had 2 months. He has had 2 months. You're now at 172 days. Let him know he's got a week, and that's sufficient time when you put your mind to it. Tell him,
I did have him get his driver's license, he does have his driver's license now, which is a great help for the mitigation package.
let him know if he doesn't have in a week, I'm gonna roll his ass day for day until he gets it done.
No problem.
Because really, it's at 2 months now.
I appreciate it, thank you.
Yeah, okay.
How much time, Judge?
1 week must appear. So I'm gonna roll. I'm gonna roll.
Just, we have a Spanish play, we've been trying to get an interpreter for the past half hour. And I think Laza's on the way.
But we don't have Mr. Is he there?
I think Martin was to go with from Laza.
Oh,
Because he's been waiting. There you go.
all right. Ah, bless. Yeah, I'll sign it for you. You tell me to put it in the queue.
Should be here. Mr. Lopez?
I think I've already, I see it. Got it. I'll send it right now. Okay.
Yeah.
Blessed, do you need the cost number?
He just gave it
You did? Okay.
Right, are you done with it? All right, Spanish house.
Okay, he said we can do the cleaning, don't you?
Council, what we said.
Stacy, is that your mom?
Yeah.
She looks just, I mean, it's like a splitting image. It's like seeing double. She's great. She's wonderful.
Just come after AJ.
What was the
You sure? I mean, it's not a big deal.
You gotta go through the.
Good morning, Mr. Dubon.
What was the? Good morning.
Sir, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. You are facing up to 6 months in jail and/or a $2,000 fine. The agreement that you have worked out is 30 days in jail with credit for the 15 days that you have done. By entering into this agreement, you are pleading guilty. This charge will go on your record. It will be there for the rest of your life. What you need to understand is that these are enhanceable offenses, meaning that if you pick up any more DWIs, you will now be facing a minimum of 30 days in jail. A third DWI is a felony offense, up to 10 years in prison. You are giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you are not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. If you are on probation or parole, pleading guilty to this offense may result in the revocation of that probation or parole, resulting in further confinement. Is this what you want to do?
Yes.
How do you plead to the offense of driving while intoxicated?
Guilty.
I'm going to find you guilty. I will follow the agreement. I have to suspend your license. I will do it for 180 days. Do not drive and take a license. And good luck to you, Mr. DeBon.
Thank you, everybody.
CC. Yeah, we'll CC everything as well. Are you ready? Thanks, Martin. Okay, let me just sign this roll.
Last name Barry?
Okay,
For him, we got two new offers tonight, so for this short, we sent it to,
what are your offers?
deferred and time.
Okay, so he doesn't want to do PTI?
PTI is a possibility as well. I did
Okay,
talk to him about
We need to start doing this prior to 180 days.
Told him that he would be, PTI.
Okay, then I need to know now whether you guys want to accept it or not. I mean-
But there's also a possibility there's going to trial too, so he needs to time to consider all.
Okay,
his
I'll give you until Monday.
Okay.
Hey, Victoria, bottom of page 22. Clear trial Monday, please. If you guys want to do the PTI program, he has to have all of it done and ready to go, application submitted and everything, and we'll send it for TRAS on Monday.
Sounds good.
Okay, who's next?
Roy, R-O-Y.
Okay,
For him, we're following the felony, I'm waiting for the felony prosecutor to give me the date.
is it out of the same transaction?
Yes.
Okay, what's going on upstairs?
I'm waiting on her to text me. She told me that she's about to approach the judge on it, but that's.
Then let's wait,
Okay.
let's wait.
All right, next one is, Villion.
De Leon?
Yes, V-I-L.
Oh, V. Okay,
For that one, kind of mistake that he dealt with.
it's 180 days. I mean, I don't,
I just brought the issue to their, attention, and so she was.
okay. So is there an offer on this case now?
There is an officer. Yes.
Okay, I'm going to give you a week. In a week, he's got to be here. He must either accept the plea bargain agreement or we're going to set it for trial. There's no more resets. So can you please make sure that all the rips, everything is done by the following week?
Yeah.
Okay,
That's the, yeah.
okay, so let me know on Roy.
Okay.
Hi, Ms. Coons, come on up. Hi.
Brian, I'm filling in for Bob Manage today, and I am doing a BVR hearing. It's like
Correct.
for Mr. McCarter.
Come up, Mr. McCarter. I guess you just don't take us seriously, do you, Mr. McCarter? No, you don't. We gave you a curfew. You're on deferred for aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. We put conditions on you. And yet you fail to live to the conditions.
Your Honor, Mr. McCarter recently became a father.
He's a baby himself.
On July 13th, he welcomed his newborn child into the world. And some of the curfew violations are actually just a gas station for him to get milk for, food for his mother.
I don't believe it. You don't get milk at 10:30 at night. There are so many other times that you can get milk. You were on deferred. You just had a baby. You ain't even got a job. That's the only thing that we wanted you to really do was get a job.
He has been making attempts to get a job. He has applied at Wendy's and he's followed up on that job. He
I'm
has had
sorry.
difficulty-
He's going with you. I'm revoking your bond. You're going to jail today. You're not taking us seriously. This is not a game. This is not a revolving door. Somehow I have to teach you that we mean business. And I hope that this is it. You're going in right now. Go. Sorry, just not taking it seriously. Just, yeah. I'll set it at 5,001.
So I don't, I have nothing to say. It's
Okay,
fine.
thanks. Herman,
Judge, unfortunately, on two cases. The first one is Mr. Mitchell, we provided an application and everything for PTI approval.
give me a second. Let me write this down if you don't mind.
It should be just automatic.
Okay, who's the gentleman?
Mitchell,
Mitchell.
you just need approval.
You've submitted everything?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's set it next week. Pick a day. and
Oh,
we'll
can we
see.
do it walk through T-Raz?
Sure.
And then.
Yeah, yeah.
You might not, because he's here,
Okay, do
so
it.
then he doesn't have to come back.
I'm okay with that.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Everything's submitted.
Everything's submitted.
Okay, I trust, okay, great. I trust you, Herman.
And then, Mrs. Martinez, no relation, we're still waiting on bond.
How old is this case?
It's, it's past puberty. Married.
Okay. It's 150 days. You don't have video. It's a problem.
I mean, they have blood draw video, but they don't have SFST video.
Is there? Do you know that there is?
Well, they have by law, there should be, and if they have the blood videos, I'm gonna assume that they have it.
So please let them know. I'm setting this for a 10-day discovery hearing.
Yeah.
Whatever's not in within the next 10 days. Okay, thanks, Herman. Mr. Wong.
I got a point for Mr. Johnson. And he was tested yesterday.
Yeah, I got a problem with this. Mr. Johnson, come up. I have a problem with this. I ordered you not to use, and you're still testing. I tested you yesterday. You tested positive. I tested you yesterday. You tested positive, Mr. Johnson. It's been, how many days has it been since we ordered him not to use? Do you know? I ordered you not to use on May 25th. It's been 54 days. It should be out. If you want, I'll give you until the end of the week, but I'm going to test you again. If you test negative or if you test positive, do you understand? Right. So today's what, Wednesday? What day do you want to come back to test again? Within a week. I'm not more than 60 days because it should definitely be out by that time. You tell me.
Maybe next week, the same time, today, which is.
So today's day 54. Right. Okay, let's do Tuesday. That'll be 60 days. If by 60 days, you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Thank you.
put it on for Tuesday. Thank you, Mr. Wong.
Yes.
Ms. McDonough, you ready?
I'm pushing on McBride. We have two different names. Is it $4,000 bond? This wasn't for.
Yeah.
I have it under Sir Ramen.
Sir Raman, we're gonna combine the names. And he wants to be known as Nur McBride.
No. I know he wants to be known as something, but what's on his birth certificate? That's what's,
It's a very difficult question.
Touche, but nevertheless, it's gotta be what's on the birth certificate. No, I want to be Batman. I mean, really,
No, yeah. I'm not gonna argue.
it's not gonna happen.
It's, one is very old. I'm expecting to give these, we can keep several names if you like. It's, I mean, it's Victoria. What do you want to do?
I think the bonds are low as is. I mean, really, he's on bond for an assault from 2019. It's at 1,001. He picks up a failure to ID, he's a fugitive. He's still trying to, yeah, I think his bonds for 3 cases at 4,000, I think that's extremely reasonable. Yeah, no. So I'm happy to do whatever you want to do. If you want to set it a week, 2 weeks, yeah, whatever you want. But I think that that's very reasonable. He's lucky it's not higher, actually.
I'll let you.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, thanks. Hey,
Judge,
yep.
Your Honor, this case was on docket last week.
Is this the one that we had? Yeah, it's on Wednesday, Hernandez.
He was out on bond with no answer to that one.
I don't see it on docket.
DWI.
Is it on docket?
It's on docket. The interference.
His last name is Hernandez?
Yes, sir. I'm not seeing.
I'm not seeing it. What is it?
2611
Okay.
297.
Oh, it's under Sepulveda.
Oh, is it?
That's why. Is he here?
He's here.
Yeah, okay.
You ordered him to get the law.
Just Sepulveda, come up. What is the one thing I told you not to do? Right. What'd you do? What happens now? Take a guess. We're not asking much in this life. We want our streets safe. We put conditions on you. And when you continue to pick up cases, there are consequences. As much as I love Mr. Strauss here, it's just a no-go. You're going to jail today. Goes with you. Sorry, Brian, but I mean, really. So I'll leave his DWI is at $150, which is about as low as it can. I mean, really. The interference I'll set at 5,001 and we'll go. Okay. Just the old case. Yeah. I'll leave the other one as is. Okay. Thanks, man. Hi.
Say I'm here on last name, Humphrey.
Humphrey.
The state and I worked out something. I'm just asking him to work the early today because I'm trying to get him housing for when he gets out.
Sure, of course.
That's it.
Okay. Have fun.
I think I have Kamani Nelson too. I don't know if it's 180 days old.
Is that bond or jail or?
No.
Yes, it's 190 days old.
Yeah, so the state is gonna review the surveillance. I gave her a certain time stamp to look at it. She said if she can have it until Friday. Probably.
Okay, do it.
All right, thank you.
Yeah. Right, I'm ready for you. Come on.
You might be able to have some swings.
I know. There's no one. There's no one. There's. I've tried, Mr. Johnson. Hi, Sana. Ready?
Judge, how are you today?
Hey, good morning. It's okay. Just tell me.
Judge Silva.
Bond or jail?
Bond judge.
Okay.
There's just two cases. The New York case is for March, but the older case is obviously older. I'm still waiting on discovering the New York case. And just one piece of discovery.
I have it at 125 days old. Is that right?
There's an older case from November of last year, criminal history, and then I have the theft.
How come I don't see it? Maybe she has 3 cases?
What day is today? Today's the 20th.
Today's 22nd.
No, she has 2 cases. Judge, one of the, a criminal history and a theft.
Yeah, the mischief, I guess we must have dealt with them both at the same time, though. Meaning that-
Still big cases, Judge.
It was a 2B. She gets a GOV on March. Yeah, so they're both 125 days old. So I guess, how much discovery you outstanding? A lot?
On the new case, Judge, it looks like we just got, 911 calls. Don't have none.
Well, she might have to release it to you.
Yeah, I just released a 911 call. We have, it looks like body worn camera.
Yeah, it's 20 times fine.
I think we might be missing loss prevention report.
So I'll give you one more setting, 30 days. Just please try.
Yes,
After that, if whatever's not in, we'll do a 10-day discovery hearing.
yes, Judge.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you, Judge.
Yeah, and it'll still be waived.
Thanks.
Yeah. Hey, I revoked this guy. Who's the other guy? That's it, McCarthy. Hi, Jeffrey.
Good morning.
What's up, man?
We have a off docket motion to
Just tell him to put in the queue. I'll sign for you.
Okay, all right, fantastic. Thank you.
Yeah, I'll sign it for you.
Yes.
Judge, this is Dan Corrigan, attorney. I have one case.
Give me a second, Dan. Okay. Did you get everything done with Garibay?
Yeah, Frank Garibay. Yeah, everything's been turned in.
Okay, let's give it a second to see if they can follow supervision order.
Okay, I'll just wait. Thank you.
Garibay. We've literally been carrying this case day for day for day for day. Tyler, you want to talk?
Yes, please.
Talk to me.
So to come back today.
Thursday, but today's fine. We don't have any prosecutors. So she's been in trial. She just got out of trial. We didn't have any prosecutors for Tuesday. We've literally had to roll everything. We had jail cases. We had other cases. You were the first one up, but When do you think you can be ready on this case?
What was the last thing, Josh?
Oh, I don't even
Oh,
know.
I-
It's,
Three cases that were still yesterday.
yeah, but it's the oldest one. It's Sur,
Alon Jaha.
Jaha, that's it. Yeah,
Okay,
Jaha.
I started doing a list of all the availabilities of all the witnesses. So I can pull up for. I was confirming everyone was available, there was no conflict.
All right.
So volume judge, I was like, we are ready for that one, I'm just gonna confirm the text. The analyst.
How soon can you be ready?
So the next week, but we do have Martinez fresh that next week. But all my technicians, they've been trying on the 27th. And I know we pick on Tuesday, so I think Wednesday's the 27th, so that would have been perfect.
So this is, I will chalk this up to a continuance for you guys, okay? There's no more for either side, because I denied his continuance. I don't see that you've had a continuance, otherwise I would have denied it. So this is the first one and the last.
Yes, Judge. All the witnesses are available for next week. We were gonna ask for one if we were gonna go this week because our analyst was out until next week, so I understand, Judge.
What is your position for next week?
August 26th.
Do you want to?
I'm not in a hurry now. His dad is gone. That's why I came by and talked to you and stayed announced ready.
We were ready to go. I came here Tuesday. We had no prosecutors here. Every day for the last 2 weeks, we've had a different prosecutor every day. Literally 2 prosecutors every day, a new one. So sometimes it happens. We were ready to go here. We had Ramona, we had everything ready, but I had no prosecutors. We literally came here in the morning. We had no prosecutors here. I had Bernadette come. So
If the 27th doesn't, or the 28th doesn't work, we have.
We have Martinez next week.
we have that set on what, Monday?
Council board is set.
What day do we have that set on?
What day do we have Martinez?
Mark, is that the,
Martinez is set on the 28th.
is that that Tuesday?
Yeah.
This week is not good, right?
What about the week after?
We can't do August 3rd. I have a in custody case in Conroe.
We do Tuesday.
We do Tuesdays.
So, okay, so we have the 4th, 11th, 18th, 25th. Every Tuesday in office.
Yeah, can you file a motion for continuance, please, so we have it on file?
I will do that right now.
Continuing the case from, let's say, when is it? From yesterday's setting?
From Tuesday.
Well, from Tuesday it would have been for,
Okay,
I guess, matter of law, but then we were gonna roll this to Thursday, so we're requesting a reset. A continuance because our analyst is not available till the 27th, and that's what I'll put on my continuance, and we can get a new date. If that's okay before.
I just really can't do it anytime in August.
Why?
The next 2 weeks, have serious trial conflicts. But then for the last 2 weeks, I'm gonna be moving my youngest to college in New York.
For 2 weeks?
It's not a full 2 weeks, but it's gonna cover from that Tuesday, the last 2 Tuesdays of August. 18th and the 25th.
What about September 1st?
September
1st.
I just have one trial set in court 10.
Do it. We'll put it on that day. You have trial set every day from now until the next 3 years. So really, any day that we pick for trial, you're gonna have a trial setting regardless. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. Yeah. Not a problem. You know, we can always talk to Judge Jackson and figure it out.
That's on Jaha?
Baja, yeah.
What about,
I guess let's set them all on that day.
So Stephen Brown was the other one, but then Curran, he's doing PCI.
We have, it's
Yes,
Blanco.
it's current. I think that was
Sorry.
the one that you allowed him to do PTI.
Okay,
And I think the only thing we're missing for current, was the contract. We were waiting for the contract back or something like that, right? Yes. Yeah, so we already have the contract. We just need it back.
okay,
It's Blanco, I misspoke. Can we put that on the same day?
sure, yeah.
Yeah, Blanco, everyone was available. It was just I was not available. for
Yeah,
Blanco.
okay.
Does the court want me to file continuous for Blanco as well?
So
Or is
what?
that just gonna be?
No, you need no, continuance on both cases.
That's what I want
Both
to
of
make
them,
sure, so I
right.
know to file that.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes,
Mhm.
I will do that, Judge.
Yeah.
So Judge Blanco and Baja is on.
September 1st.
Okay.
Yeah.
And Curran, should we move, that one stays on the docket for tomorrow? Do y'all have a contract yet?
We do have a contract.
Oh, we do.
Yes, we have a contract. He's signed his, we're signing ours and we're turning in
We
the.
give you a week to get everything done?
That sounds.
Okay,
sounds
so we'll set it off, we take it off the trial docket then?
Okay, I will set it for next Thursday. Is that?
Sure.
Yes.
Okay.
And whenever everything is in, do you require him to come in?
No, no, there's no need to waste time. I I trust you guys. So as long as it gets done, but if it's not done and they're dragging ass, then they gotta be here. But if he's got everything done, then it's a waived appearance.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, of course. Okay, hey, you ready? Hey,
Tyler, I'm happy.
The first one is Mr. Bell,
okay,
just with she stated that she offered to take classes.
great. It's 190 days old. We'll give you a week.
That should be in a piece, easy to start.
Top of page 2, 1 week must appear that it's a class and dismissal. Okay, who's next?
Ron, J-I-R-O.
Okay,
State needs to Eva, they just got the name back.
I don't care. That's 100 days old. Whatever you want.
The other one says disposition, Guadalupe Gonzalez.
Okay, that's 140 days. Are you missing any discovery?
Discovery is complete, we just received an offer.
Great. We'll give you a normal setting, but he's got to be here at the next one to accept or reject. Okay, thanks. Hey.
Some bono on the jail docket, jail reentry, just refer to not jail.
Just have him put it in and I'll sign it for you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna go run court 3.
Yeah.
Can you check with her to make sure that on Garibay, they can file a supervision order, please? Oh, it's in the queue? All right. Hey, I'm signing the supervision order now. Dan? Thank you.
Yes,
so much.
I got it. Thank you. Take care.
Okay, we got you.
Okay, bye-bye.
Have fun.
Yeah.
Bye.
They're gonna send out working for you? What are we doing?
Yeah. I don't know, I think I'm 90. I'll edit that. It's kind of funny.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just saying, for the court about it, he says that. That's, yeah. Yeah, not.
Okay, so I have something to be about. Yes, well, it's not. Yes.
We came on.
So what I'm gonna do is. She's already done.
We may wait for it or yourself.
Yeah, I can show there.
Like small car flipper.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I will be there.
But you're gonna come back?
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm trying to just. Look like this. Awesome. Thank you very much. Okay.
Oh, you were talking down, yeah. But I just didn't quite agree.
Right.
Yes, I find here. No.
Oh, it's not.
Thank you, I appreciate it. What do you have?
That was like we've been. It's like we
Okay, I'll probably just.
An argument is not speaking.
Reduce that to be.
He gave us their advice. But you put the contract on. It's not that easy to put it on.
Bruce? Come on up.
This one. And they would like to get some sort of copy of this. So you want to go here. You just want to say that. Oh, I didn't.
If that goes like you're. There you go.
Mr. Cruz, there you go, you're free to go. Okay, which one is more?
Maybe that should be.
Okay, so.
What's your bond? Okay.
I'll book 10 days, but if you just confirm the date by holiday,
Yes.
whatever date.
Yes.
And I'll just schedule it. Cater to everyone.
Yes. Yes.
Hi, how are you? Karina.
Yes.
Hello, my friend. Nice to meet you. Probably there should my clients. His last name is. They have two cases. And. All how many days?
Yeah, that's the one that I was talking about. So usually.
So.
I could just look it up. You don't really have to. That's the website. Or you just like videos. And if you want to start again, it's more safe. Is that all? That's It's a lot of fun. No, not yet. I would regard to. Mostly looking at first jobs on my first year. So here, she's been in charge of office. And then about 5 time off for my. It's like. Usually all this is almost. Like special stuff. So, whatever it is. This is, yeah.
I won't get in front of you, I promise.
Okay, she said that the companies that file.
We're not able to see it.
Okay. And I never found it. Okay, so I'll show it.
You can only see it. We're not. That's why I heard.
Can you do that draft? Okay. Now we have to. Open up.
I'm still feeling sorry for you.
You know, as Sebastian worked on my interest, he completely
Nobody waiting.
How can I help?
Nobody waiting.
Okay, what is it? Yes. She does not have a copy. It's just.
Now we have five.
I'll find out.
Sorry, so I didn't sign.
Okay, questions from the beginning. This is jail, and you're gonna do a time served one business. Should we come here, sign, or how do we sign? Who told me that last time? She said. I already, wanted to this one.
Right down here. I'll be moving that. Is that where you're applying? Yeah, I'm just going my first year. Hi.
Yeah, get ready for the bar.
I know. I'm just preparing, yeah, I know what I'm gonna do.
Yeah.
That's kind of my response, like, you just have to watch yourself, like, there's no way around it. Yeah. Yeah, you can cook, you know, that's something I do. It's like not failing, that's all they want, they don't want you to do that. It's not failing. I'll email
But it might be one that I was thinking now.
I do not. In fact, I'm feeling.
Right, Richard, ready? Okay. Name, so the name and then 320. 310. 1 Sandy Sonoma against Mr.
That's about.
Is she still?
I'm not sure. I think that's the name.
Yeah, I mean.
But this is not nothing like the last time since he. How about that?
Yeah.
It's 2019.
Oh, I see. You can show them.
So we'll figure out what to do.
Try to sleep on the 15,000.
I can talk to you about so.
Yeah, for the mom.
I'm sorry. I'm not normal. I was so just to start off. You want me to see you? This shot to you.
I'll be right back. So
Yes, she said she had to follow before. She was running around. I'll check her right now.
It's usually not. Looks like there's no. Yeah, I'm just gonna. 30 days and then.
I adopted this myself because it came off like easy. Yes. How I am now. I mean, as long as I have just set up, I'm not so. So those are classes, I really like, being that all. Once again, we should there. Because I like, I don't do. All this time I was not doing I also got a hair.
It's not, it's not. It just got, looks like it's gonna put in. It's a new got put in this one.
The one that I did? Yeah. Yes, that's definitely one, and no one had that. Well, everybody was like.
No, give it like.
And then it was like a flat one time, so then something.
I was thinking.
I've been here.
She's going to my today.
You guys are freaking out.
Just to double check, what was the name again?
Oh,
Yes.
Yeah, it's okay.
How you
I'm sorry to keep you waiting. Are you ready to speak? Come on up. Thanks for being patient. Mr. Sharp. Okay, come on up.
Yes.
You guys fight. Let's go. Come on. Thank you for coming.
For Ms. Ariana Avalos,
Jail or bond?
she's in jail.
Okay, tell me what you would like to do on,
For a reduction, Judge, she's still held on a felony at this time. They have not set the bond for that yet.
oh, she's bond denied up there?
No, she just hasn't had it set, which is odd too, because. most-
Oh, yeah, no. I mean, we can't even get her in here. She doesn't even come. And now she's picked up a felony DWI with a child. I just don't
Her
think,
next setting is the fifth.
if you want to set it for then, let's see if they set her a bond and we'll go from there. But really, she just doesn't come to court. She does what she wants to do.
Judge, the setting of the felony court is August, or I'm sorry.
August 4th, yeah.
August 4th, that was the one that. Sorry, Judge.
Yeah, so Ms. Coon, if you want to set it for the next day,
I think she's already doing the next day.
okay,
I have nothing.
yeah, okay, thanks.
Thanks, Judge.
Yep. Mr. Sharp,
Hi, Judge.
hey, bud.
I'm here doing a favor for a friend. I hear Kelsey has Elsa Dewan.
Why, he was in here earlier. I asked him to stop by and he just took off anyways. I don't,
Go up to felony court.
it's like, we asked him if discovery was complete. He said yes. And Duran, is discovery complete? Or you said, I think you said discovery is complete. He said it was not complete. That's what it was.
So for Jerome, Judge? Yes, that's correct, Judge. I mean, Brooks has lit, everything's supposed to be completed on my system.
Okay, everything's complete. The case is 160 days old. We need to know what you guys want to do. So we'll give you a week. Is she here now? Ms. Duran, come up.
Well, she's gonna sit down and talk to him. He's sitting right there. That's fine. Right? I'm.
So we're going to give you a week. In the week, we need to know what you guys want to do. If he wants to, she wants to do PTI, if she wants to take another deal, if she wants to go to trial. I don't want to just keep resetting it for the sake of resetting it. And I think he knows that. So please just ask him by next week. We want to know what you guys want to do. He said discovery was incomplete. We're showing that it's complete. So he needs to make a decision. Do they need a mitigation packet?
No, Judge, so for that one, it's like, it's been like that 1 year mark, and she has no criminal history.
So she's approved,
And she would be approved, you just, they didn't have to submit the application.
right? All they got to do is submit the app. All you guys got to do is submit the application, which takes about five minutes. All right.
And
So-
Judge, just so that the court is aware, all discovery was shared as of May 13th.
Great. Let us know what you guys want to do. All right. Thanks. Are you ready? Hi, Ms. Reingold.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
I have a Mr. Turnaround docket,
Jail or bond?
bond.
Okay.
We were asked to approach, I presume through the age of the case, it was filed with their SUVI, and I was appointed to be in April.
I still have you at 97 days.
Okay.
So I don't take into account when the 2B gets filed. It's just not fair. When you first get that first setting, that's when it applies. So it's at 97, you got plenty of time.
Usually, this is discovered.
Don't worry about it. You got plenty of time.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Miss Van. Hi, Roy.
This is the one.
Yes. Okay.
I've been advised that there's no awareness of discussion. And,
When did they set it to?
and they're gonna, for the next, set something.
So you're already at 187 days. By that time, you're going to be like 270 days old. That's it. someone else's.
Right. That's amazing.
All right, good morning, Mr. Stefanoa. Sir, you're charged with 2 cases. You're charged with theft. You're also charged with failure to identify oneself as a fugitive from justice. The agreement that you have worked out is 10 days in jail with credit for the 5 days you have done on the theft case. This will now reflect as a conviction on your record. It will be there for the rest of your life. I don't know how many thefts that you have, but if you continue to pick up thefts, at some point you will be hit with a felony offense and looking at years instead of days. Do you understand? You are giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you are not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. Once you accept this agreement, you can never change this or undo this. If you are on probation or parole, this can be used to revoke that, resulting in further confinement. You understand? Is this what you want to do? How do you plead to the theft, sir? I'm going to find you guilty. I'll follow this agreement. Mr. Stefanoa, this is now your 2nd theft. On the next one, it's very possible that you're facing a felony offense. You understand? All right, I'm going to find you guilty, follow the agreement, sentence you to it. Good luck to you, sir. Thanks. Did you guys file a dismissal on the failure to ID by chance? Hi, Manny. You ready? Come on up. It's okay. What's up?
I am here on, Mr. William McPherson, Judge.
Okay.
Discovery's all in. I believe there's offers that have been made, if I'm not mistaken. We just need to go over the videos with him.
Sure, we'll give you.
If you want, but.
No. I don't want to waste time. I don't want to put it on the trial docket unless you actually want to go to trial, because at that point, I'm just not going to accept any more offers.
Yes, sir.
I will give you 2 weeks, but at that time, he's got to be here and he's got to either accept or reject.
Got it. Thank you, Judge.
Okay,
Excuse me.
got it. Do you want to go through the list?
Top of 3, council said he was gonna approach about discovery.
Hey, is discovery on bibs, is discovery complete, please? Hey, guys, are you waiting on us? We're done. Okay.
All right, guys, the next, I'll start with you.
Oh, yeah. What say you?
It looks like we got body on camera, root call has been completed, it looks like all discovery is for this. No, everyone else, I have this great.
So it is complete. Discovery. Okay. So 2 weeks, clear trial. Let him know that we've checked that discovery is complete.
What was the offer? That's the only thing we're missing is, an offer, Judge, which I can do right now, because we did contact the complainant recently, so I'll put in an offer today.
Okay.
We spoke to complainant today. All right, Judge, the next one is top of 11. Council tax since March. The offer. Defendant is here.
Is this Mr. Del Bosque over there?
No, he was the one in the blue button down on the evening.
Oh, right, that guy out there.
Yeah, so now council saying that he had something that come up, and he said council went on vacation. I told council to come on,
and never heard back.
Reach out to Shmarla, please. I'm just, it's really, but it sucks for him. Why does he have to suffer because the lawyer don't come? That's not cool. No, I mean, what we need to do is get it. Mr. Del Bosque, come up. Have you spoken with your lawyer at all?
Yes.
Okay, hold on. I don't want to talk about the case. I just want to know, have you spoken to your lawyer about this case?
No, I've been trying to contact him.
Have you ever spoken to your lawyer about this case?
Not yet.
Okay, that's a problem. Okay, I'm gonna try to get you a different lawyer, okay?
Yeah, because
He
don't
don't
called
worry
this
about it.
morning when I got here, and he said that he couldn't be here because he's going down.
That's what we're, appoint him a different lawyer, please. It's 165 days. He's not even talked to him once.
Thank you.
Don't worry about it. I'll take care of you. Just go ahead. We'll try to find you someone else, okay?
Okay, thank
Just
you.
please take a seat. You got it. That's just about as, it's unacceptable, man. I'm live streaming. I don't want to name for.
I'm on that too, and that's.
Yeah.
Judge, on page 11 and 12, it was an arraignment that showed up right before you left to help with the break.
Is that him over there?
Is it-
Depperdine, come up. Oh, I'm sorry. Did you need something?
It's off docket, the same motion. Judge, this motion to restore.
No.
I was just trying to help him out.
I understand, but I'll talk to him in a second.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Mr. Depperdine, what time does court start?
8:30,
What time did you get here?
11.
Okay. Come on time next time. It messes everything up. Do you understand? You were charged with assault of a family member. You're also charged with interference with the emergency request for assistance. On both of those cases, you're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you.
On February 3rd, 2026 in Harris County, Texas, an officer responded to his assistance for bodily injury call at 3100 West San Houston Parkway, apartment number 329. The complaining witness stated she has been in a relationship with the defendant for 4 years and has been staying at the location with the defendant for 3 months. And the complaining witness stated she was unable to pay rent. The defendant became angry and started verbally assaulting her. The complaining witness stated due to previous arguments, she was not going to allow the defendant to talk to her this way, was going to call the police. When the complaining witness stood up, the defendant lunged at her and gripped both of her wrists with his hands, driving his nails into her inner wrist. The complainant stated she felt pain. The officer observed marks on both wrists of the complainant and small marks where the skin was pierced. The complainant stated after a brief struggle, she was able to wrestle her way free and call 911. While on the call, she was prompted to give her address and room number before the defendant took away the phone. The defendant removed the phone from her hands in a way that knocked her to the wall where she hit her head. The impact from hitting her head caused her to lose consciousness. The complaining witness woke up the defendant leaving.
The complaining witness woke up the defendant
Leaving.
Mr. Depperdine, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. As a condition of your bond, I'm ordering you not to have any contact with this person whatsoever and not to be in possession of any weapons. There's a protective order that has been, well, I'm going to issue a protective order that identifies Ms. Dotson as a protected individual. You cannot commit family violence or an assault against this person. Commit an act in furtherance of an offense under section 42.072 of the Texas Penal Code, which is the stalking statute. You cannot threaten, harass, use another person to communicate a threat or harassing behavior. You cannot be in possession of a weapon or go within 200 feet of the place on Court Road or any other places where she might live or reside or work. If you violate this condition, the state can file an additional charge against you, and a violation of a protective order is one of the worst cases you can pick up. You understand? When I mean no contact, I mean no contact of any kind. I don't care if she reaches out to you. I don't care if she calls you, texts you, come to your house. If you have contact with her, even if it's initiated by her, I will revoke your bond and put you in jail. One more thing, you were given PR bonds on both of these cases. I don't know what kind of family member, I don't know what kind of support you have out there, but if I have to revoke your bonds and make them $10, $20, $50,000, if you don't have anyone to pony up that kind of money, you'll be stuck like Chuck with me. Do you understand me? I'm going to protect my community at all costs, and if I have to throw you in, I'm not going to lose any sleep over it. How do you support yourself?
I work, job, shit, so
So you don't work.
I work, but it's like it's off of shit, so I pick up shit.
What do you do for a living?
Dishwasher, fresh wine, all kind of stuff, bartender.
So you don't have a job then?
Not like a stay one, but I pick up shit, but I'm able
Do you have children? How many kids do you have? So why on earth are you not working to provide for your kids?
I am working, it's just.
You know you're not, but you're not working. You're not working here, working there, dishwashing there, waiting tables there.
I'm working off of that, but I'm working jobs, and it's just, I don't have like an actual job now.
It's time for you to get an actual job. Those kids need to stop. Those kids need to actually eat. They need clothes. They need support. You working part-time and having someone else pay the rent for everything, that's not going to fly. And I'm now making it a condition of your bond. And I'm going to give you 2 weeks and I'm bringing you back and I want to see what you have done to get a job. If you've done nothing, it's not going to go well between us. Do you understand me? I will give you an application for an appointed lawyer. It's now nearly 1 o'clock. So when you come back, have it filled out and then we'll talk about a court-appointed lawyer. Be ready because I'm also ordering you not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs and you will be tested. If I find that you're using, then likewise, it's not going to go well between us. When I mean illegal drugs, that includes marijuana and anything that has THC in it. Do you understand? Okay. We will have you sign all these conditions.
Judge, was that state sponsored?
No, actually, no, because I'm going to monitor him. It'll be with, yeah. All right, come on.
Sir, come over here.
And then do you mind sending him home with an application, please? Thanks.
That's why you get. That's why the use of the order passport registry is saying they have two in possession for that person. Are they allowed to release both? Because the only order had.
How on earth can you have two passports? Can you ask them, are they both, are they from different countries? Because some people do have dual citizenship, but
If
are
it
they
is
from?
if it's from different countries, yes.
Yeah, but so a person can only have one passport from one country and not have any, unless you have dual citizenship. So they got to be from two different countries. If they're from two different countries, then yes. I mean, but they should have put that in the order.
Just don't.
Judge, for that case.
Which
I
one?
believe the one that was just up.
Okay.
I believe the house is his and the complaining witness was just staying there. I'm not sure if she's still.
Okay, so just put any place where the complaining witness lives or works. He's not allowed to go back.
Thank you.
Yeah. What?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm not going to grant the motion then. We need to have a hearing over it. What's the cause number, please?
Okay, Judge, I gotta set it aside because I published it.
You did, I'm sorry.
That's okay.
How, what?
So do you want to release the one that it had on there? Because it had, one, you granted one for the name that's on the case. I'm not sure why they're trying to receive two, because the order was only for the person.
Are they on the phone now?
Yes.
Who's on the phone? Hello? This is Judge Fleischer here. So tell me, does this person have two passports? Or did you get a passport? Did you get names and pictures? I can only give the one passport that's in the one form, because that's the only one. I didn't know we took it in, we taken into, I don't even think, I didn't even know that we took into, otherwise I would have made a documentation. We would have had an entry indicating that there were two, so.
But you never know, if you're traveling, it's legislation.
Let me ask you this, the passport that he's trying to get back. If he has, that was named this.
This is irrelevant, I want to switch it off, but I did. Yeah, so I just can't check. Yeah. It's a process.
So, no, we were only going to get that he asked for in order. They'll probably do a separate court order. Okay. Okay. So continue public, continue to, we'll only need to get back out. If the order says that one, that's all we need. They'll have to file a separate one and then. Okay. Come up, sir.
Sir.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Thank you for coming. Behind the bar, please. So understand, I have a lot of people that come in here. I have a lot of people that try to get things and I have no idea who they are. I have actually granted a motion and given back a gun to a person that should not have gotten the gun before. So now I don't give guns unless I know the person actually owns the gun and it's their gun. Yours, you're just coming up here saying, hey, I need this gun back. I don't know that it's your gun. What if someone else comes back and tries to claim ownership of the gun? Right. So this is the court. In a court, we work with proof. We don't work with, hey, by the way, it's mine. Can I have it back? This is a court and everything works with proof, whether you have proof as far as proof of some purchase, when you buy a gun at either Academy or at Buck's Wild West, they give you a receipt and then you can, you file documents with the ATF. Perhaps you can go to the ATF and find something where that they can show that you actually own the gun, that you've registered and that it's in your name. Great. That's something that shows that you own the gun, but I can't just take your word for it.
I understand.
Well,
my problem is that my brother died. It was his gun, he gave it to him, and he died. And I don't have any idea how to get a receipt.
I can't give you legal advice. Right. That's why when you talk to them, they tell you, look, we are not lawyers. I mean, technically, but I'm not allowed to give you legal advice. They are not lawyers. They cannot give you legal advice as well, just to tell you how to prove ownership or whatnot. But there's got to be another way. I don't know, but I can't just give it to you because you say you want it. I'm sorry.
I didn't know either though, but.
That's okay. And I mean, it's always a learning experience when you come to the courthouse. Sometimes things are, self-evident. Sometimes things are a little bit more difficult, but I've made the mistake before and I don't intend to duplicate it. I'm a hard learner sometimes. And
I guess what I'm really looking for is a way to get it back. I mean.
Well, what I would do, what I would like.
What to do, I just didn't.
You talk to a lawyer. When you come to court and when you do things in the criminal or civil realm, the best thing that you can do is talk to a lawyer and they can advise you on how to properly go forward to try to prove ownership or prove somehow that it's yours. I don't know, but a lawyer can give you legal advice on how to go forward.
Okay, well, thank you very much.
Yeah. Okay. Sorry.
I'm not representing Mr. Kaiser.
But if you're going to, you got to, you can't have it both ways. You either going to,
Help him out if possible.
I get it. So, but you're either going to, there's no half-ass. You either do it,
I'll public
or you
defender,
don't.
I can't.
Then I wouldn't.
I can ask you a question about it.
You're in court, you're in front of a judge, You're doing something that's indicating that you're going to represent someone because you're trying to help someone out. I get the noble intention and I applaud you for it, but nevertheless, substance over form, right? You're saying, well, I'm just going to help him out, but it's truly representation because you're trying to help him out in front of a judge, in front of a court to try to get a certain result for him,
Yes, Your Honor.
Sorry.
Thank you.
Right. There are, he can talk to you outside, he can sign on or whatnot, but there are legal aid agencies out there that can also help you out. There's Texas Lawyer Referral Service. There's the State Bar of Texas. There's the,
Hard to lawyer for the states.
go back to the lawyer, if you talk, but the lawyer should be able to, at a minimum, answer a couple questions for you.
She didn't, tell me how, she just kind of rushed out and talked about the case itself. So I guess I'll go back to her.
Call back and ask. It really takes 2 minutes to answer a question and hopefully they'll have the wherewithal. If you had a lawyer, hopefully they can try to see you through it.
Okay,
Okay?
thank you very
All
much.
right. Thank you, sir. All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I can give you some resources on that, but I don't represent you.
Okay.
No, I think, Jacob, that's fine. That's fine. But when you're coming in front of a court and you're arguing in front of a judge to try to get something done, that's representation.
I understand, Your Honor.
Yes.
I understand.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I just remember a lot of things out.
Ariel. Hey. Ariel.
Good morning, Judge Fleischer.
Hi, good morning. How are you?
I'm well. How are you?
Ready to get out. Skedaddle.
Yes,
What's the word,
absolutely. This
Thunderbird?
will be really quick. I have Thompson on docket. He has a felony pending. His felony is set August 5th. Can I reset him to August 6th
Is he in jail or on bond?
in jail?
455 and 56.
Oh, is it really only 55 days?
Yes, Judge.
Well, of course you can.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, Judge.
Yeah. Don't worry about it.
All right. Thank you,
Okay, have
Judge.
fun. I don't care, whatever you want.
Okay. Yeah, August 6th. I will email Victoria.
Okay.
Okay.
All
Thank
right,
you,
we got
Victoria.
you. She hears you. Okay.
Okay.
Bye. Hey, stop.
Run away, Judge.
What else?
Yeah, when I get page 14, two cases, that's all.
2501. What?
Just kidding. I'm still here.
See? 2501 on both.
Out of 23, set for arrangement by first part.
2501.
Out of 26, you didn't have a rag because mom was sick and.
So which one's the best one? You think so?
The worst one.
Yeah, that really sucks. But he's got a mom and she's sick.
He has a phone.
And he got a phone. Today's what, Wednesday? SFBF Monday? Yeah.
Bottom of 38. That's something about that one. He was having a red. Which one? Taylor?
No. Yeah, what's the word on Taylor? The last name is Taylor.
Last name Jada, first name Jada?
Last name. It may be in reverse. It may need to be switched. Yeah. Looks like it should be in reverse.
Yes, sir. So they did do a RIF on this case, but the RIF that was done really says the complainant missed work because of this incident. So.
They didn't have a question whether they only asked if you, what?
So this RIF was done by Felony 88. And hard to complete it, so we didn't know that it needed to be done. And when I looked at what the RIF said, it just said, complainant said they missed work because of this incident. So I am going to read it.
Yeah, do you mind? Let's set it a week.
Yeah, that's why I.
Yeah. And
There's a
then,
co-defendant also. We did try to call, I think this was the one that, we did try to call Judge. They did not answer because it is a co-defendant.
yeah. Okay, so do you mind doing the rip, putting an offer? Well, let's do a week. They got to be here in a week.
Yes.
Must appear.
That's it, Judge.
Okay, guys, we're done.